This is a critical period. They have a period of, well, till tomorrow at 8 o'clock.
It is very likely that the bottom is in for the stock market and will continue to see strength going forward and break all-time highs.
The world is going to hell in a handbasket, and Bitcoin is strong. So that in itself is very positive.
Bitcoin has a war deadline tonight. Trump says Iran has until 8 p.m. or it's over. But Bitcoin is sitting at 69K like nothing happened. There's a reason for that.
This is a critical period. They have a period of, well, till tomorrow at 8 o'clock. I gave them an extension. They asked for an extension of 7 days, right? I said, Steve, give them 10 days. 10 days is up actually today, so I gave them 11, I guess, indirectly. I thought it was inappropriate the day after Easter. I want to be a nice person. They have till tomorrow. Now we'll see what happens. I can tell you they're negotiating, we think, in good faith. We're going to find out. We're getting...
That's the president threatening to send a country back to the Stone Age, and Bitcoin didn't even flinch. Here's the thing, that's actually normal.
It is very likely that the bottom is in for the stock market and will continue to see strength going forward and break all-time highs. If you study the data, this is what you would see. The stock market usually bottoms within the first 10% of time into a war. So World War II took 5 years and the market bottomed 5 months into the war. So the risk reward is good for stocks.
And the stock market adjusts pretty quickly. Within the first 10% of the entire duration of a war, the stock market usually bottoms. So, World War II was almost 5 years and the market bottomed 5 months into that war.
And it's not just stocks. Look at what happened yesterday. $471 million flowed into Bitcoin ETFs. That's the biggest inflow since February. The smart money isn't running, they're loading.
It's official. The Clarity Act crypto market structure bill is legitimately close to being passed. It is real this time.
The good news is we are so close. And I know I've been saying that for a long time, but we are so close this time.
So we don't know if it's a bear flag or not, but normally it doesn't. And I look back at all of history for the optimized trend at this stage of the market, and normally it doesn't do a double OT flip without turning into something more positive. Consider it like a double bottom. We'll see.
So you've got regulations clearing, technicals flipping, and money flowing in, all at the same time. The last time everything lined up like this, Bitcoin went from 40K to 69K in 3 months.
The other thing that's very positive to note, and sorry for spending so long on this chart, but it is maybe a historic moment, is the fact that the world is going to hell in a handbasket, and Bitcoin is strong. So that in itself is very positive.
Look, fear's at 13 right now, everyone is scared, but the whales aren't selling, they're buying. Regulation is coming, the technicals are flipping. That's not a crash setup, that's a launch pad. Subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.